Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are fine and enjoying life well. Today in this video I'm going to be sharing some crochet bag design ideas with you. Crochet bags are a great way to use a leftover yarn, and they can be made in any styles or size you like. Here are a few ideas to get you started. The market bag. This is a classic crochet bag that is perfect for carrying groceries or other everyday items. It is typically made with a sturdy yarn and has a large opening at the top. The tote bag. Tote bags are another popular crochet bag styles. They are typically made with lighter weight yarn and have a shorter handle than market bag. The shoulder bags. Shoulder bags are a great option for carrying belongings, hand-frees. They are typically made with a medium weight yarn and have a long step that can be worn over the shoulder. Shoulder bags are perfect for everyday use or for special occasions. The backpacks. Backpacks are a great option for carrying your belongings on the go. They are typically made with a heavy weight yarn and have multiple compartments for organizing your stuff. Backpacks are perfect for school, work, or travel. The clutch bag. Clutch bag are a stylish option for carrying your essentials. They are typically made with lightweight yarn and have a large opening at the top. Clutch bags are perfect for special occasions or night out on the town. These are just few ideas to get you started with a little creativity. You can crochet any type of bag you can imagine. So get out your yarn and hook and start crocheting. Here are a few ideas and additional tips for designing your own crochet bag. Choose the right yarn, consider the pattern, add your own personal touch. Crochet bags are a great way to express your creativity and add your own personal touch to your bag, such as different colors, pattern, or embellishments.